ZENA stock analysis and ZENA stock prediction for Wednesday and onwards. Now in this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only person in this space that's done 45,000 videos like these, 5 years that it's taken me. I have proof of everything. It's on my YouTube channel, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And especially here coming forward with ZENA, I mentioned that I'm waiting for a double break in order for me to move forward. What this double break means is that I already got a first one. Got the second range made, but it's just made, you know, it's just not that quite yet. And only if I see a second break above $5.20 would I look to take this thing higher. To put it simple, ZENA, I also have a lot of receipts here as well, with about 10 receipts. So it's not that I'm gonna randomly start buying or anything. It's just that I've been looking it up here all throughout. I got like 3 longs, 2 -1R and then +3R. And that's exactly where we are. This is obviously not financial advice, so yeah, if you want to stay tuned and want to get free sauce and all that, click the first link in the description. We'll be seeing you in the next one.